In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $500 a day trading. And yes, I'm not lying, $500 trading. First of all, guys, please, this is not financial advice and always do your own research. I tell you always, you've got to just take the concept I give you and you got to do it yourself if you actually want to make this money. Now, first of all, this method is a little bit of a longer play, but it's guaranteed to make you money, and I mean guaranteed if you're picking out the right place. As always, I never share my wallets, but I will give you the method I use. Um, Guys, I want to say, like, I ape with bigger capital, so these are not plays that, I kind of put $500 in. Sometimes I'll put 5k, 10k. Um, max I'll do is 15k because like there's just a limit, right, on coins, and especially the lower the market cap, the less I'll put in. For an 8 million coin like Dolan, which I'm going to show you right now, I would not put anywhere near 10k in because, that's just disproportionate to the market cap and disproportionate to what I think would be a good play, in my opinion. Anyways, right, so we're going to go on the 15-minute chart. And as you know, guys, a bull run's coming, and a lot of OG plays recently have been getting absolutely blown up out of proportion on Solana. Before we go any further, we're using BULLX. It's in the description. Use my referral. We always use BULLX. It's the best trading bot. So if you're wondering how I'm getting all this, it's BULLX. So, right, you're probably wondering, okay, Dali, how did you get this winner? Or is this even a winner? Right, well, in my eyes, this is a winner, but it's not like guaranteed to make you profit if you're only getting in now. And that's why I will say, just be careful what point you're getting in, guys, because sometimes it's not the best play to get in really late, and it's definitely not the best play if you're not trying to be risky, you're trying to maintain like a low standard of risk. So with Dolan, I can show you exactly what the signs were to show that it was going to blow up. I can show you exactly the signs where, this coin was guaranteed to make you money and you could have made that $500, not $1,000, even that $5,000. Now, is it this easy? Yeah, it is. You follow these steps and I guarantee you it's this easy. We're looking for OG projects, say 6 to 8 months, right? That's essentially where I'm looking for, right? 1 year maybe max, but 8 to 6 months is perfect, right? Or even just a year, we'll say. Um, you want to check on coins. You can go to the explore page. You can go on Twitter. Follow me. It's down below. I always post coins on there and stuff like that. And we're looking for OG communities. Now, what do I mean by OG communities? I'm talking about communities that haven't left the coin. They still tweet about it. The dev is still around, still posts on X. They're continuously like working for the coin and uploading art and stuff like that, trying to get engagement on the coin. Now, that's first step, right? So we found Dolan, for example, and we're looking for a chart. I'll just draw in right now exactly what we're looking for. So we're looking for a top somewhere like this. It's 6 to 8 million top, like say for this coin, for example, right? Looking at the chart, and then there's like a period of consolidation. Excuse me. Then it'll spike back up, and then as we know, crypto didn't perform as well, so it goes into more of a steady, slow market because crypto is kind of dying slowly. Going lower and lower. Then we get that fake spike to 170. It goes up again. So this coin is essentially moving with Solana and the other cryptos, and it's going up at the same like rate, kind of, right? So then you're thinking, okay, right, around this area hits, and then Sol goes down again. It goes to 130. It kind of slowly going down, steadies out, and then at this point, right, you're like, you want to buy when you like know there's a bull run coming, or like it's most expect. So right now, obviously, the expectations for a bull run are so high, and this is almost like guaranteed to make you money if the dev is still around. So we'll go on X right now. We'll check it. Right, we'll go on Dolan Ducks X. We'll check it out, and boom, active non-stop, like tweeting, making art, just doing stuff for their bags. And look at a community, like look at the amount of times they're like uh replying, like even Phantom's replying to them. They're actually working for their bags. Like a lot of people are, and they're tweeting about them. So it's actual good holders that are getting engagement and getting more views on this coin. Now, you want to find somewhere, some coin at least, where the floor is kind of chilling. It's at this point, right? You're entering a bull run, and sometimes you're looking for a late bloomer, right? And I'm gonna show you one this video, and you're gonna thank me later when it goes up, and you're gonna say, okay, you've shown this before, but I'm serious. You're gonna thank me for this, right? And when you do, just remember I shared you this alpha before in a previous video, all right? I'll share one. I'm not going to share the other one. The other one's in my paid Discord down below if you want that. And I think this one's going to be a 5x play when it does in about 2 or 3 weeks max. It'll blow up. And then I'll say, I told you so. Once again, I told you so. Anyways, right? So, um, the coin I'm talking about is new, right? It's been around for so long, and I shielded it before, and I shielded it again. All these spikes and everything like that, right? And you see down here when it got to 6 million, their Twitter got banned again. If you knew the whole story, you would have made money, right? Now you're thinking, okay, Dali, right? So how would we have seen this, right? Same thing as I told you, right? Up here, huge high at 200 million. You have another one of like 90 million, a local here, and then consolidating, slowly dying, and then it's still around OG, people still posting it. You can get their X up, it won't be this one. I think they switched the Dex, maybe, yeah. Can't stop noob, whatever. Consistently posting it, right? Stuff like that, and some posted them, so that's hugely bullish. And dude, you're thinking, okay, 34 million, is that the top? Well, considering they had a 90 and a 200, I wouldn't say so. And this community's diehard. I've said this, and I've said this so many times, that you should be DCAing into this coin. And if you did, bro, you would have been up like 3 or 4x from my YouTube video. And it's as simple as that. Like, I'm not giving you losers like that. This is essentially me giving you free winners, right? So you're like, okay, this chart looks pretty promising. If you actually like kind of look at it, it's still getting the highs of August. But if that bull run starts, this thing is going to blow up to 100 million. Like, I don't see why it wouldn't. It's one of the OG coins. Ansem's now supporting it, and a bunch of other users are supporting this. It will blow up, right? You just gotta say when, not if, because it will. Now, you got to do your research. You got to find these tokens on your own. So look for OG projects. And how you're saying look for them? Well, go into the BULLX. Obviously, after you click the referral, whatever, go to explore. You can go to like you can go to gainers or whatever. Look for some gainers maybe that have been released a while. You can go on Dex Screener. You can go on X. X is the main one. Like look out for these. Like kind of they tweet each other or they follow each other or the influencers are talking about them. Another one off the top of my head that I could give you, won't give you, but another one that I could give you is essentially starting, right? And I will give it, I am giving it to the paid Discord once again. Um, so you gotta find these tokens and you just gotta buy. You gotta buy at that low point and you gotta be patient, right? You might not earn 500 today, but you'll earn 500 in a week and then you've doubled your money. Or you might get a 5x. It's a little bit longer term, but you can actually do this daily if you get multiple coins and you invest multiple like pieces of capital. Now, so you are making daily money by doing this, and literally it's free printed. It's safe, safer than buying like a random pump phone coin, and you're being smart with your money, Saga, right? You're not just being stupid. I do tweet on X a lot about these coins, so do follow me down below. Put notifications on, guys. This is literally the freest method. I gave on Telegram yesterday as well. The Telegram's free in the description below, right? I don't even charge for this, right? I gave this call on X as well. We'll go down here, right? So Sui bot, right? 300k, 155k I called it at in the Telegram, right? I sorted the guys out, and if you go to Dex Screener, I think it went up to 400 and something k. Now, have I sold? No. Honestly, I'm not gonna sell because personally I actually do feel like it has serious potential. And if you were to sell like some sort of a coin, I don't think it'd be this one. Like you wouldn't be doing a good job selling some utility on a chain that's kind of fresh. And this does have really good utility. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Take on board what I'm telling you because you will make free money by doing this. See you guys next time.